In today's video, I'll show you how to create a smooth reveal where your video transitions from black and white into full color using a sliding motion, giving your intro a cinematic and emotional feel. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best when it's used as an opening reveal. Now, tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab because this controls how your clip appears at the start. Scroll through the list of animations until you find Hue Selection, then tap on it. As soon as it's applied, you'll see the video transition from black and white into color using a slider style movement that gradually brings life into the scene. Remember, in CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. To control how fast the color reveal happens, use the duration slider, drag it to the left for a quicker transition, or drag it to the right for a slower and more emotional reveal. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so the color change matches the mood of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a black and white to color reveal in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut mobile animation tutorials.